Teacher Arlene, I am very thankful to you for teaching us. You are a great and kind teacher. I'm very thankful to be in your student. You are a great teacher to all of us. Thank you for everything you've taught us.
Hello po, Teacher Arlene. Thank you po sa paggabay at pagtuturo mo sa amin. We love you po.
Dear to our most loving advisor, Ma'am Arlene Mendoza, thank you for everything, for the patience, guidance, and memories you have gave to us. I am very sure that we all cherish every moment with you. Thank you for giving us such a fair treatment, and thank you for encouraging us to study hard and persevere until we don't reach our goals. No words such could explain how much we are very lucky and grateful to have you as our advisor. And may you please always have a good health, and may God bless you. Thank you for everything, Ma'am Mendoza. And this message came from Sam.
Hello po, Teacher Arlene. Thank you for teaching and guiding us. We promise to work hard on our next grade level, keeping your love and support throughout the year. Thank you for everything. We love you. Bye!
Greetings, Ma'am Arlene. Thank you very much for the fun cycle and experiences we've been through. We have learned a lot from you. I have also learned to value every lesson you give to us. We will miss you very much.
Thank you, Teacher Arlene, for teaching us and caring for us. We will always bring with us the values and wisdom that we got under your supervision on our continuous journey in learning. Again, thank you. We really appreciate it.
Hello po, Teacher Arlene. I just want to say thanks a lot for teaching us. Proud po ako na naging advisor ka namin. Always take care po, and God bless po.
Hi, Ma'am Arlene. Thank you po sa lahat. Mamimiss po kita.
Hello po, Teacher Arlene. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin at pag-guide po sa amin sa aming mga lessons. Thank you po. God bless.
To Ma'am Arlene E. Mendoza, I appreciate your dedication to teaching us even though we are noisy. I am so grateful that you were my teacher during the school year. Your support has been enough for me and my classmates. I am grateful that you are my teacher. Thank you.
Mahal kong guro, gusto ko lang sabihin na nagpapasalamat po ako na lagi kang nandito para sa amin. Nagpapasalamat po ako na tinuruan mo kami ng magandang asal at tinuturing mo kami mga tunay mong anak. Ginawa mo ang lahat para maging masaya at napanabik ang iyong klase. Ang iyong pagnanasa ay buudyok sa akin na gawin ang aking makakaya.
Hello po, Ma'am Arlene. Salamat po sa mga aralin na itinuro niyo sa amin.
Thank you, Teacher Arlene, for putting your heart into teaching and encouraging me to do my best.
Hello, Ma'am Arlene! Maraming salamat po sa isang buong taon ng ating pagsasama, sa mga kahit malalasakit sa aming mga kaklase. Kahit na makukulit kami, nananatili pa din po kayong mahinahon. Babawiin po naman lahat ang aral nyo sa pagtungtong namin sa grade 6. Hanggang sa muli, mahal ka namin, Ma'am Arlene!
Hello, Teacher Arlene. I want to say thank you for all. Thank you for being a good teacher, and thank you po dahil kahit napasaway kami, ay hinahabaan mo pa rin yung pasensya mo sa amin. At kahit na masama yung pakiramdam mo, mapasok ka pa rin para magturo. Thank you, Teacher Arlene, dahil ikaw po ang sa mga guro na turo sa amin ang tama at mali. I love you, Teacher Arlene. Ingat ka palagi. Bye!
Hi, Ma'am Arlene. Thank you for teaching, guiding, and disciplining us for the whole school year. You are my favorite teacher in grade 5. Again, thank you, Ma'am Arlene.
Magandang araw po, Ma'am Arlene. Maraming salamat po sa pagtsatsaga niyong pagtuturo sa amin. Kahit medyo makulit po kami. Maraming salamat po sa lahat at maaalala po namin kayo sa araw-araw. Salamat po, Ma'am.
Dear Teacher Arlene, thank you for inspiring me every day and helping me become my best version of myself. Your guidance means the world to me. We will all miss you. Thank you, Teacher Arlene.
Thank you po, Ma'am Arlene, sa mga tinuro niyo sa amin. Salamat po at mamimiss po namin ikaw. Salamat po, Ma'am Arlene.
Ma'am Arlene, thank you for making the best moments on Grade 5. We appreciate every effort you make. Thank you for being good, nice, and awesome as teacher to us. We love you, Teacher Arlene. Bye-bye!
Thank you po, Ma'am Arlene, sa pagtuturo at paggabay po sa amin sa pag-aaral.
Teacher Arlene, thank you po sa pagtuturo po sa amin po at thank you po sa pagmamalasakit sa amin po at sa pagmamahal sa amin po. Madami kami pong natutunan po sa inyo po magtuturo po at mababaon namin po sa aming basic sa aming paglaki po. God bless po at ingat ka lagi po.
Ma'am, this is me, your friends. I just want to tell na thank you for one school year that is filled with happiness and love. Thank you for taking care of us every single day and making sure that all of us are safe. We will miss you and we will remember you forever. That's all. Bye-bye!
Ma'am, thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin at thank you rin po sa pag-aalaga sa amin. Marami po kaming natutunan sa iyong mga lessons. We love you, Ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am Arlene. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. At salamat din po sa pag-aalaga sa amin buong school year. Thank you po.
Dear Teacher Arlene, as I continue to grow and learn, I would like to take a moment to express my appreciation for your guidance and support throughout my journey. As I reflect on my role as a class president, I am deeply grateful for your mentorship and guidance along the way. Your encouragement has played a significant role in my maturing process, both academically and personally. Your wisdom and support have helped shape me into a more capable and responsible leader.
Hello po, Ma'am Arlene. Salamat po sa paggabay niyo po sa amin. Salamat din po sa lahat ng nagawa niyo para sa amin. Sana ay marami pa po kayong maturo ang mga estudyante.
Hello po, Ma'am Arlene. Nais ko lamang po magpasalamat na naging teacher ko po kayo at nais ko din pong magpasalamat sa inyong kabaitan, pagtsatsaga, pagmamahal sa amin. Kayo po ang naging pangalawang ina sa taon na ito. Stay safe po and God bless po.
Good afternoon po, Ma'am Arlene. Salamat po sa mga natutunan namin sa inyo. Salamat din po sa mga eksperimentong natutunan namin. Isa po ito masayang kapisan.
Ma'am Arlene, I just wanna thank you for your kindness to us students. Also, your support to us. And also, I want to thank you because you teach us how to be diligent, smart, and also be kind. That's all. I will miss you if I turn grade 6. And also the other students that you taught. Thank you. That's all.
Po, Ma'am Arlene, salamat po sa lahat ng itinuro niyo po sa amin. Mamimiss po kita, Ma'am.
Good day po, Ma'am Arlene. I just want to thank you for all the lessons you teach us. Not only for education, but also to inspire. I love how you inspire us using your stories of God. I also wanted to thank you because you make us more responsible to ourselves. Thank you again for all your hard work, love, perseverance.